of Rajya Sabha that in order to constitute a sitting of the joint committee, the quorum shall be as near as may be 1/3 of the total number of members of the joint committee. With your kind permission, I move that the bill to enable, empower the universities and other higher educational institutions to achieve excellence in teaching, learning, research and innovation through coordination and determination of standards in institutions for higher education, for research and scientific and technical institutions, and for that purpose to constitute a Vikashit Bharat Shiksha Adhishtan to facilitate the universities and other higher educational institutions to become independent, self-governing institutions and to promote excellence through a robust and transparent system to accreditation and autonomy, and for matters connected therewith or incidental thereto, we refer to a joint committee of the House consisting of 21 members of this House to be nominated by Honorable Speaker of Lok Sabha and 10 members of Rajya Sabha to be nominated by Honorable Chairman of Rajya Sabha. That in order to constitute a sitting of the joint committee, the quorum shall be as near as may be 1/3 of the total number of members of the joint committee. That the committee shall make a report to this House by the last day of the first part of budget session 2026. That in other respect, the rules and procedure and conduct of the business of the House relating to parliamentary committees shall apply with such a variations and modification as the speakers may make, and that this House recommends to Rajya Sabha that Rajya Sabha to join the said committee and communicate to this House names of the members of the appointed by Rajya Sabha to the joint committee.
आप प्रस्ताव कर दें कि अध्यक्ष
मैं प्रस्ताव मूव करता हूँ।
प्रश्न ये कि माननीय मंत्री जी द्वारा प्रस्तुत प्रस्ताव को स्वीकृत किया जाए। जो सदस्य प्रस्ताव के पक्ष में हाँ कहें, जो सदस्य प्रस्ताव के पक्ष में नहीं वो ना कहें। क्या जेपीसी में नहीं भेजना चाहते आप? चर्चा करना चाहते हैं? नहीं, बोलो आप चर्चा करना चाहते हो करा लें कल चर्चा। मेरे विचार में निर्णय हाँ वालों के पक्ष में हुआ, हाँ वालों के पक्ष में प्रस्ताव स्वीकृत हुआ। कई मान्य सदस्य यहाँ पर ही ध्यान लगा लेते हैं, तो मेरा आग्रह यहाँ ध्यान लगाने का स्थान नहीं है। ध्यान घर पे ही लगा कर आए आराम से तो ठीक रहेगा। नाम लेके बताऊंगे ध्यान कौन लगा रहा है। आइटम नंबर 21 श्रीमती निर्मला सीतारमण।